Hi, I am Muhammad Shabuddin. Welcome to the Maximize Knowledge. Let's talk about top 5 amazing science facts. Number 1. There is enough DNA in an average person's body to stretch from the sun to the Pluto and back 17 times. DNA length. The human genome, the genetic code in each human cell, contains 23 DNA molecules, each containing from 500,000 to 2.5 million nucleotides light pairs. DNA molecules of this size are 1.7 to 8.5 cm long when uncoiled, or about 5 cm on average. There are about 37 trillion cells in the human body, and if you uncoil all the DNA encased in each cells and put them end to end, then this would length of 2 into 1014 meters, or enough for 17 Pluto round trips, that is 1.2 into 1013 meters, that is Pluto round trips. Number 2. The average person walks the equivalent of 5 times around the earth in his whole life. Let's calculate it. Walk around the world. The average person, moderately active person, take around 7,500 steps a day. If you maintain that daily average, live until 80 years of your age, you'll have walked about 21 crore 62 lakh and 62,500 steps in your lifetime. Doing the math, the average person with the average stride living until 80 will walk a distance around 1 lakh 10,000 miles, which is equivalent of walking about 5 times around the earth right on the equator. The average human body carries 10 times more bacterial cells than the human cells. Yes, it's funny how we compulsively wash our hands, spray our countertops, and grimace when someone sneezes near us. In fact, we do everything we can do to avoid unnecessary encounter with the germs world. The, the truth of this matter is that each and every one of us is walking petri dish. All the bacteria living inside you would fill a half-gallon jug, or 10 times more bacterial cells in your body that human cells, according to the Carlion Boch, a microbiologist at University of Idaho. Don't worry, though most of those bacteria are helpful. In fact, we couldn't survive without them. For one thing, bacteria produce chemicals that help us in harness energy and nutrition from our food. Germ-free rodents have to consume nearly a third more calories than normal rodents to maintain their body weight, and the same animals were later given a dose of bacteria. Their body fat levels skipped even if they didn't eat any more than they had before. The gut bacteria is also very important to maintain immunity. Number 4. An individual blood cells takes about 60 seconds to make a complete circuit of the body. You have 5 liters of blood in your body, and the average heart pumps about 70 ml of blood out with each beat. Also, a healthy heart beats around 70 times a minute. So if you multiply the amount of blood that the heart can pump by a number of beats in a minute, you actually get about 4.9 liters of blood, which is almost your whole body worth of blood. In just a minute, the heart pumps the entire blood volume around your body. Now let's talk about stars. If Betelgeuse is a star, would explode, transmitting from red supergiant stage to supernova, then our sky would light continuously for 2 months. It can happen anytime, within a couple of thousand years, tomorrow, or even now. Betelgeuse lies some 430 light years from our Earth, yet it already one of the brightest stars in the Earth sky. The reason is that Betelgeuse is a supergiant star, the largest kind of stars in the universe. Betelgeuse has a luminosity about 10,000 times that of the sun, and its radius is calculated to be about 370 times that of the sun. If it were positioned at the center of our sun, its radius would extend our past and the orbit of the Mars because it's near the end of its lifetime. Betelgeuse is likely to explode into a supernova. Thanks for watching it. Like, share and subscribe.